Hello, my name is Lucy Bradley and I work at NC State as the Extension Specialist for Urban Horticulture. One of my first jobs was working as the director of the Phoenix Coalition for Youth and Families. We were working in the projects in Central Phoenix dealing with the challenges that children faced. And what I found was where we were making a difference, where we were really changing lives, was in the gardens. It was in the school gardens and the community gardens. So I became an Extension Master Gardener volunteer, and I went back to school and got a master's degree in botany, and I became the urban horticulture agent for the metropolitan area around Phoenix. While I worked as an agent, I also continued my education and got a PhD in plant biology. And about the time I finished my PhD, this position at NC State became open. So I came here to interview, and I felt like a kid in a candy shop. Coming from the University of Arizona, where we had a fabulous horticulture specialist, but she was the only horticulture specialist. So I was thrilled to have the opportunity to become a part of this amazing team. We have a number of resources for you, including this Extension Gardener Handbook, and you can find out more about this and all the rest of them at our website. We also have a plant database that I hope will be a wonderful tool for you to find great images to use for your articles and presentations. It's a great way to find plants for specific uses and also to identify plants. We have a number of training opportunities for you. One of them is Plants, Pests, and Pathogens, which is a monthly webinar that we do in partnership with the Plant Disease and Insect Clinic, available to Extension agents and Extension Master Gardener volunteers. We also have 3 distance education classes on plant identification that we do with Longwood Gardens. I'm really interested in working with you and hope that you'll be interested in taking a leadership role in the future of the Consumer Hort program in North Carolina. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to reach out to me anytime.